This event is called as just a celebration for all the internationally educated nurses who came over here. In our health board, they started recruiting 20 years back and there was a pause, and then this year, like 2018, I guess the first batch came in, but I myself came over here in 2021. So today's event is like, during the COVID years, everybody has worked so hard, and so we have seen the different cultures that we are having, because the nurses have come from different cultures, they carry different diversity, and this event will be a stepping stone for the upcoming future events, specifically from the international and the diversity we are celebrating today with all the nurses educated from different parts of the countries. So it has been a huge difference in the practices that we have from our country to over here. But it was challenging because the concept is different, the patients are different, the language is different. So it has been challenging, but I guess the support that we have got from all the seniors, and that has made us come into as one community. And I think so today we are just a family. So the best care we can give to the patient, that's our priority and that's our motto. But the emotional and the psychological support that I have got over here was unremarkable. I can never say thank you, because thank you is a small word for it. So that is what I want to continue. What support I have got, I want to give it to the next our international educated nurses, whichever country they are coming from. I want to be a part of their journey. I want to make them feel welcome. I feel that is what makes us connected.
Well, I'm really proud to be a part of this organization. Initially, it was a bit tough to adapt to a new situation, like new culture, new people, learning a lot of new things which we never had, though we been trained back in India. But it was a different experience, which is able to help my patients, my colleagues, and to support the trust, getting people safe home, giving them the appropriate care, and encouraging the colleagues to learn the new challenges and learn the new skills, especially for the newly qualified, and also the overseas come to us as a new staff. I'm really glad to say that I'm fortunate to be a part of this organization, and I do support every member of my colleagues, and I'm glad to work in a good team, but with determination you'll be able to overcome all the challenges, because I was an average person, but if I can do, everyone can do. But I'm really glad to say, and I'm fortunate to be a part of this organization, and I'm proud of being a part.